Good morning.
Good morning.
So day 2 of our Keys trip in Key Largo, and we just had breakfast at Harriet's. I got French toast, and they forgot my bacon. And you got some hash browns and sausage and a muffin. How was the muffin?
It was pretty good. I'd give it an 8.6.
8.6 for the muffin. Anyway, so we're gonna head to the gym now, and then after the gym, we're gonna go scuba dive again today. So we're about to go out with Horizon Divers and go scuba diving again. We went out yesterday and saw lots of things. Some grouper, some barracudas, some hogfish, and went to the Christ statue, and then the dry rocks and North Dry Rocks, and then we're gonna see where we go today, and hopefully get some good footage and see some more cool things. Good evening. So we just finished diving and came back to the hotel room and got dinner. And diving was pretty good today.
A lot better today than yesterday.
Yeah. So we did 2 dives that were about 25 feet each, and
The fingers.
the fingers and the undersea highway.
Look at you. You got it right.
On the elbow reef. So first dive we went down, saw a nurse shark and some spotted eagle rays, and a bunch of grouper and a lot of barracuda. And then the second dive we saw stingray, another nurse shark, some grouper, lobster, crabs, and
a dead lobster.
And
More barracuda.
A lot more barracuda.
Not a fan of those.
But yeah, then we went out to Hobo's Cafe
For dinner.
Had some dinner, and just got back and went out, took some pictures.
Good
and
pictures.
Now I think we're ready to call it a night.
Relaxing day tomorrow at the beach.
We had a pretty busy day today.
Oh, we went to the gym.
Went to the gym,
Yep.
went scuba diving, got breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway,
All right.
so
See you tomorrow.
hopefully tomorrow's a good day as well.